Hey guys, welcome back to another episode 9 of this bathroom build install. So we're going to take this insulation out. We're going to pop in some 2x6s. Found some scraps out in the backyard we can use. They're nice and dry. So first steps first, pop this bad boy out. And then we'll double check. We'll take our measurement of our window. Okay, got my 2x6 marked out, so we're just going to pop it on the miter saw, get that cut out, pop these bad boys in. Okay, once you've got everything in place, ready to go, take your measuring tape, triple check. I've got 5/8 of space to play with on that one, 5/8 of space on that one, 5/8 of space on that side. Okay, I've got shims, so we're gonna bolt that down, triple check you're all leveled up and ready to go. This side's not such a big deal. Pretty close to me. Pretty level to me. Got some screws in there. Got some 3" here. One good trick that I saw another guy on YouTube show us is put it in reverse. Put it at an angle. Start your drilling backwards. Angle yourself down, kind of like a drill bit. When you start it, you're not running away. And it also works when you're doing the edge of a board straight down and you don't want to split the board. Drill out your head first and then most likely it won't split. It's usually a pretty good trick. Please go easy, easy on me. Go easy on me. Go easy on me. Easy on me. Don't give me a hard time, just let me live my life in peace. My life in peace. Been broken a long time, don't remember the highlights of me. Highlights of me. Oh, please help. Okay, that's it. First step's done. I'm going to swap my bit over to drill bit. And you don't have to go as aggressive on the drill bit, but you want something that you want the saw blade to fit inside. So this should be good enough. What you want to do is you want to put a hole in each corner, and then when you go outside, you can draw your line, which we'll show you in a second. I'm trying to change my life, but so much easier to say than do. So I'm just going to use the reciprocating saw. It's got a metal blade on it. I'm just going to go bzz, 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 done, and then get on to the next project. I forgot to hit the record on the other camera. But anyways, it's got a few spots to clean up on the wood, and then we're good. Let's get this stuff ready to go.
On a scale 1 to 10, she 100. Gets everything that she wants in abundance. Knows how to be a lady in public, but she can get crazy. Ooh, I love it. She got a lot of weight in her luggage. And shorty ain't bluffing. She might snap on you like it's nothing. Everything I thought I knew is redundant.
Explosive temper, I hear smoke detectors. If I don't surrender, she might hold a lecture.
Every apology's a token gesture. I'm sorry, baby, I don't know no better. You get mad when I show no effort and turn the summer into a cold December. Cruise on the high road, dodging the potholes, tied up and I'm blindfold. She got me going psycho. I walk on a tightrope, my feet getting ice cold, my head spinning like a cyclone. She got me going psycho.
Damn, girl, you got me going. Damn, girl, you got me going.
Hold up, baby, I got CBD. Now we should kick back, pop in a DVD, yeah. Hold up, baby, we should keep the peace before one of us blows up like TNT. Let's go. I guess I'm crazy too. Not right in my mind, but I play it cool. A lot of emotions I convey are cruel, and my toxic traits are like deja vu. Ooh, that's the way I do. I'm a hot mess. Face the truth. I don't mean everything I say to you, but I know that I got you going crazy too. Damn.
What you're gonna do is you're gonna grab your, I don't know what this stuff's called, but it's like a buttle tape. It's like a one-sided sticky water resistant stuff that you want to put just inside your window. This one's probably the easiest one to apply. Just have a little sweep, get that stuff out of the way. Start with an overlap over the edge. And then pull part all in the other side. Come on, baby. Put that stuff down. And there you go. It's good to do a little test fit before you finally put everything together and screw everything down. I found that there's a lot of wiggle room, which is awesome, so that I can put a little insulation in there and shims and put it exactly where I want it to. Then I'll run a bead of silicone to create a weather-tight seal to prevent water coming into the house. And then throw her up there, pop a couple screws in her, and she's all good to go. Then I installed another bead of silicone across the top of the window, and then afterwards I installed the metal trim, the J pieces, and the drip pan that goes over top of the trim piece. And then I slid the trim pieces in and then used a brad nailer to bolt them down. And then afterwards I dabbed a couple pieces of silicone in a few random places and cracks just to seal up, make sure there's no water penetrating the window. And then afterwards we'll go touch it up with some more paint. Okay, now that we got the outside exterior all touched up, done up, ready to go, and we've got the bead of silicone wrapped around, so that's watertight, waterproof, ready to go. Got my shims in, they're all leveled out. I'm gonna touch base with this piece. I'm gonna put a vapor barrier and then put my acoustic seal on this, put a nice bead of acoustic seal around the edge, on the floor. Get it all cleaned up, ready to go. I'm gonna move on to the next project. So hopefully you guys like that. Hopefully you guys got some good intel or some tips and tricks on how to install a window from start to finish. This was a custom made window built to fit just inside these windows. Now I don't know, I could probably climb through that, no problem, but some other people might not be able to climb very well. So it was never, it had a fire escape, but we didn't really want a fire escape. There's also a window in the laundry room that we can also use to climb out the window if we need to. So if you guys like this, remember to check out my other videos here and here. Subscribe to my channel. Remember to hit the like and remember to hit the bell notification icon so you guys can get notifications every time I upload a video. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you guys next time. Thanks.